If you are a student, a working professional or a beginner, means that you have no idea about the Excel, then definitely I am going to give you from basic to advanced introduction about the Excel and the use of the practical use of Excel in this course. Or if you already know some basic idea and you have already worked on little work on Excel, but you want to take that as an advanced level, so then definitely this course is for you. Want to start your career in data analysis, data science, data related jobs? As you can see, today's time the data science industry is on boom, so then definitely there are many opportunities in the data science. But to enter in that industry, Excel is the first step by which you can easily enter into this data science and data analysis field. If you are a business owner and want to analyze your business, want to keep records of your business, you just want to do some analysis, want to automate some of your daily reports which are related to your business, then definitely this course is for you. I am going to show you some of the advanced automations related to reports so that you can implement all those stuff and that skill in your business to level up this. Now next one, anyone who work with Excel on frequently or on regular basis, but he's or she is not an expert, but want to become an expert by mastering this skill on the basis of shortcut keys, some of the automations and some of the advanced formulas and all those stuffs combinedly, then definitely this course is for you. I have some of the practical works which we will cover in this course, as I can show you here. Very firstly, we will see the Excel basic introduction, Excel file extensions and many things we will cover up. Then after, data types, what are the range, Excel shortcut keys, essentials, navigation, daily use, frequently used shortcut keys, and I'll also show you how you can find them easily if any of the keys not available here, how you can find, sort the data, filter the data. We will see all those stuff, and in the last of this course we will see some of the projects, some of the amazing dashboards like this. For example, this is the sales performance dashboard. I just want to check the Apple's sales in Kolkata in the year 2016. Then similarly you can see the change in the graphs here. These are related dashboards and a kind of report which you can easily by this. If I show you, for example, this data, then you can't understand this well if you are not good at mathematics and you are not good at numbers. But by seeing this report, you can easily find out how business is going and how it is performing. Am I right? So yeah, we will see these all stuff. After that, I will also cover one COVID dashboard. How you can relate all these stuffs, individual places and togetherly on one place. For example, I have to check in Australia how many death cases are there. Then you can also see the confirm versus recovery report, the death cases, recovery cases. So these are the projects and many more are there. These not only two, but few of there are related to VB and all. So I am going to cover all this thing in this course. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.